Aloha. So I just cut a whole bunch of branches above my RV because there was this weird sound and I wasn't sure what it was, and then I realized it was windy outside and the tree limb was rubbing against the roof. And so today it's not windy, and I took some time in the morning before it gets too hot to climb on my roof. And so I wanted to share with you the beautiful view up here. I don't know if you can see that in the background. So there's the pasture that has pigs and goats and chickens and turkeys. And then over here, well, that's the shared bathroom and laundry area. And then we have some woods. And then there you can see the rest of my RV. So all of this here had small branches that I could cut with a lopper very easily. And yeah, it was actually touching the top of my roof, even when it wasn't windy. So then when it was windy, it was like brushing back and forth, which could have caused damage, but luckily the limbs were very small and flexible, so and I cut them off in time. So I think this is something I need to check on. Well, I've been here in this spot, I don't know now. I should have written it down or set it in a video so that I have record of it. But I first was in this other, hopefully I'm not making you motion sick, but see where that other RV is behind me. So I was originally parked sort of closer to there, parallel to that one, and then I realized that the sun was at an angle where it was making my RV hotter than it could be if I moved it here. So I get some partial shade, from these trees. And then the angle, I'm not getting as much direct sunlight on the largest side of my RV most of the day. And then I don't know if you can see, there's a awning that I have out right now, so that helps with cutting down some of the direct sunlight on that side. I do eventually want to, there goes my air conditioner. I'm sitting right next to it, so sorry if that makes it hard for you to hear me. But anyway, I just wanted to finish up by saying that I am planning to move the RV one more time to a more shadier spot, or or move into shared housing, if that's available. Right now it's not, but I'm not sure how soon. I'll be talking with some people about a program. Well, I'll talk about this in another video. It's really just like at the very beginning stages of just like getting people to talk about this idea. Basically, it's something that I've had in my mind for a long time and kind of broad, but basically it's about getting people in a faith-based community that want to live in a family type setting but don't have family that they can live with, either because they don't have physically any family anymore because they've died, or something tragic happened, or they're just not in contact anymore, or their family is like really dysfunctional and they would be better off not living with them. But anyway, having a tiny home community, so everybody has their own private space, but then you have shared areas where you can fellowship and share meals and share in daily chores like preparing meals and cleaning afterwards, and just being able to have a place to socialize with people without having to go out, and just making it really affordable and easy for people to live in a caring community and not live in like an apartment building where like no one talks to each other and they're rude to each other and you're scared of each other because you're afraid that, you know, they're going to steal something from you. So anyway, but basically building a community like that, and teaching people how to grow their own food, make their own food, so that will also make it more affordable and more sustainable for our environment, and being good stewards of what God has blessed us with, whether that be in nature or within our own bodies and minds and community. So anyway, I probably gave you too much detail on that, but that's something that I would like to work towards fairly soon, so that way I can live in that community, and I really want to help drive that and make that more of the norm in our society, instead of everyone being in silos basically because they are afraid of people taking advantage of them, stuff like that. So anyway, mahalo for watching, and I look forward to sharing more with you in the next video. So let me know what you would like to see, what would you like to hear, and if there's anything that you need prayer for, whether it be something great going on in your life or something not so great that you need help with, please share that in the comments, and I and others who need it will pray for you. And please pray for me for guidance on all that I do, and that I am a good steward of what God has blessed me with. So until next time.